Let's go there. Very clearly on his phone. We have FG21CMX. Some kind of Uber driver. Still holding his phone. Listening. Should you be talking on your phone?
No, no.
So, look, I can see an active call on the screen
No,
there.
I'm trying to listening. I'm listening.
No, you were talking to them.
I'm not listening. I'm listening here.
You know I'm going to report that to the police, right?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
But it's too late. You were holding it and talking.
No, I'm listening now.
You need to not do that. Handheld call. He was on a handheld call. Yeah, I'm going to report it. I'm that guy who reports. Be lucky. He's missed the red light. He's so distracted. Yeah, PHV. Probably Uber. No, I'll do it to the Mets. They'll prosecute him for phone use. Have a good day.